ဟုတ်ကဲ့ပါဆက်လက်ပြီးတော့ကျမတို့ special speech ပြန်လည်ကြားနာမှာဖြစ်ပါတယ်ကျမတို့ဒီနေ့ကတော့ CRC ရဲ့ပွဲဖြစ်သည့်အားလျော်စွာကျမတို့ CRC နဲ့ပတ်သက်တာတွေပဲကျမတို့ကကြားနာမှာမြင်တွေ့ရမှာဖြစ်ပါတယ်ရှင်ကျမတို့အထူးဖိတ်ကြားချင်တာကတော့ကျမတို့ special speech ပြောကြားရန် special guest ဖြစ်တဲ့ Slide Volume သူကတော့ကျမတို့ရဲ့ချင်းမလေးrefugee Malaysia ဖခင်ကြီးလို့ပြောလို့ရပါတယ်ကျမတို့ချင်းလူမျိုးများအတွက်ဥဆောင်ပြီးတော့ UNHCR တကားကိုခောက်ပေးတော်သူဖြစ်ပါတယ်ရှင်ကျေးဇူးပြီးတော့အားလုံးလက်ခုပ်တီးပြီးတော့ကြိုဆိုကြရအောင်
For now, we are going to move on to a short speech, so please welcome Salai Bulimang to the stage. For those of us who might not be familiar with his work, he is who we consider one of the forefathers for Chin refugees. And so, again, please welcome him to the stage. Atu Tancho, Salai Bulimang, Kaptang Bunsom Hausi.
Wow.
Oh, I'm like, were you just sitting at the front?
It is not worth celebrating this room full of refugees coming together. Actually, we should be very angry. We should be very furious and demanding international protection for our plight. In spite of all our plight and suffering, and here we survive all the persecution back home. These are 25 years of the CRC work, a community coming together, protecting ourselves, seeking for a better future, doing what we can. Congratulations for Chin Refugee Committee, leaders of the past and present. You have inspired us a lot in many ways. You are the inspiration for many people who have faced the same suffering like us. It was 2001 February. The Chin Human Rights Organization come to knock the door of UNHCR in Kuala Lumpur, seeking for refuge and protection. It was a result of rampant human rights violation committed by successive military regime in Chin State. We have been persecuted based on our race and religion because of our belief in democracy and freedom. Our villages have been burned. We have been arrested, imposed forced labor. They arrest us, torture us whenever they want. They commit unspeakable human rights violation against our people. So we have to seek refuge and security in neighboring country. In 2001, there was about 5,000 refugees seeking refuge in this country, Malaysia. We are forever grateful to the people of Malaysia and the government of Malaysia for their generosity and accommodating us here. In 2001, when the UNHCR door was opened for CHRO, it was a serious discussion about the situation of Chin people back home. In fact, the UNHCR did not know what happened in Chin State, what we have endured in our own homeland. After a serious discussion, the UNHCR opened its doors for the Chin people, saying that the UNHCR primary mission is to safeguard the rights and well-being of refugees. So, if the Chin people suffer persecution based on their race and religions and their belief for freedom and expression, the UNHCR door is open for them. We were so grateful to the UNHCR, especially at that time, Mr. Shinji Kobo, the head of missions of UNHCR in Kuala Lumpur. The UNHCR said that the next day the Chin people can start application of refugee status here in Kuala Lumpur. So the job began. On the same night, in a small hotel room, community leaders from Chin community in Malaysia, church leaders, tribal leaders gathered in a room how to move forward in communication with the UNHCR. The meeting's environment was full of uncertainty, fear, and a little bit of hope. The room was filled with the smell of smoke and sweat because some people have to come to the meeting after their day-long construction work. By midnight, the people agreed to form Chin Refugee Committee. The next day, the refugee application process started in Malaysia here. We are very grateful for the UNHCR extending their protection and safeguarding the Chin people here for 25 years long in Kuala Lumpur and Malaysia. The work of Chin Refugee Committee was a very difficult one and challenging because we do not have experience, because we do not have enough knowledge to deal with the UN system. Thanks to our friends here, Ms. Jenny Lasimbang, Lian Boynu, Ms. Suikhar, Dr. Suikhar, thanks to Lillian Fan, thanks to Pauline Fan, who introduced us to Malaysian civil society groups like Swaram, like Tanaga Nita, like ACTS, who have been standing us with in difficult times all along. Your support and solidarity have been immeasurable. We are indebted forever to you. The work of Chin Refugee Committee have positive impact on many people, many thousands' lives. If it is not for CRC works, thousands of people may not have access to the UNHCR and get protection. If it is not for the CRC work, thousands of people may not resettle in the third country and enjoy the freedom they have present. We are so grateful for the work of Chin Refugee Committee. Chin Refugee Committee work is not only impacted positively among the Chin people, it is also inspiration for other ethnic groups who seek protection here in Malaysia. For example, the inception of Coalition of Burma Ethnic COBEMs is inspiration from the CRC work. When we talk about refugee, in fact, refugee is a person who doesn't want to be refugee. And yet, thousands of people flee from our home country every month, every week, every year. As we sit here in this room, the Burmese military junta is bombing somewhere in a village, somewhere in a school, somewhere in a hospital. This atrocity must stop to solve this refugee flow. The international community, the UN agency, different agency, the diplomats who are based in Rangoon or Naypyidaw, they should not recognize this murderous military regime who are facing crime against humanity in ICJ, in East Timor, and Argentina. They really are criminals who commit crime against humanity to their own people. The institution that should protect its own people become the one who commit crime against humanity the most. The UN agency must act to protect the helpless people of Burma. The UN Security Council has a moral and institutional obligation to protect the helpless people of Burma, because the 5 permanent Security Council members, they themselves has experienced a people revolution wanting to be free from the oppression in different time, in different form, in different way. The people of Burma want the same. What we want is very simple. We want freedom of worship. We want democracy. We want our freedom. This should not have been an issue in a civilized society in the 21st century. While the international community and our own oppressor continue to commit impunity, a committee, an organization like Chin Refugee Committee is vital for our protection and our survival. In my opinion, the work between the CRC and the UNHCR here in Kuala Lumpur is the best example between an institution who gives protection to the community and a community who seek protection from institution. We are forever grateful for the UNHCR, Malaysia people, governments, and institutions who have been protecting us for the past 25 years, and congratulations to the CRC for their excellent work. Thank you all.